Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Yes, we're still at the Speed Dinner area. Yes, we've done 2 cars already, now we're going on to the 3rd car. Yes, I'm as equally as excited as I was at the start because I get to drive lots of RC cars today. Now, I promised all of you when I reviewed this car that we would get up here and do a 2S and 3S speed run. Well, it hasn't happened until now, I'm afraid, so apologies about that, but we do have a 2S 2800 milliamp hour battery here, and the GPS is set to 0. So let's see how fast it goes, shall we? Controller on. Battery compartment shut. On. Nice. Let's see. Yeah. Come on, you! So what speed do you reckon, Colin?
56.5.
An optimistic 56.5, ladies and gents. So, what does it got? Oh yeah, 56! How are you doing this?
24.
Right. Luckily, I brought the 3S battery in my pocket. So, we shall get straight on with that. For those of you wondering, here, as you can see, I've drilled the hole slightly bigger here. It's very, very rough done this morning before we left. The reason being that I can pass that through there and it gets it nicely out of the way. Because there's not a lot of room for this 3S battery. It fits. I mean, like, everything fits if you push it hard enough. And then, like so. Excellent, excellent. Did I say what car this was? Can't remember saying what car this was. This is the WL Toys 104019. Is there aircraft passing over the top of us? Can you get some of them in the shot? It's the ducted fan ones. That's so cool. We should get a plane, Colin, that goes that fast. Because the crash will be spectacular. Right, I need to reset this back to 0. Hold, yes, or hold. We are at 0. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That doesn't seem very fast. That's a brand, I know that that battery was brand new this morning. All right, 67. Let's see if we can get it any faster. Not like that, we're not. Come on, straight. It definitely felt like it was going slower past us. Now it's gone slow again, hasn't it? Feels like it. Oh, come on. There we go. What do we got? Still at 67. Right, 67, 3S. That's not great. but this was never supposed to be a speed monster, was it? It was actually designed just for bashing and having a lot of fun with it. So, but I'm glad that we've finally got the top speed out of this, which is very good. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Have a great day, stay safe, take care. And if I don't see you before, have a good Christmas. Bye-bye.